Where did I put that sonic screwdriver? 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Towards you. Is that correct?
Nope, other way. Don't forget to put the screws in your jar.
I won't.
Once you get them out, just make sure you don't bump into that giant piece of glass in the middle, okay?
Okay.
That's the dangerous part.
I'm the doctor.
Alright, doctor, continue getting your screws out.
It's
No, not that. That ain't gonna help you. That's a rivet. You're just looking for those little silver screws you were doing, messing with.
that way.
You're going the wrong way. There you go. There you go. Looks like it had a little bit of a clip on it or something, huh? Alright, put it in your jar. Without stepping on my feet. Go. You gotta come over to this side. Next one's right there. Why don't you walk over here?
I am.
There you go. Nope, you're going the wrong way. Other way. Wrong way. There you go. That's the right way.
Five screws, please.
Here, put them up here.
Okay.
Alright, now if that guy's loose, I should be able to pull it out. Why don't you go ahead and grab the camera and head towards the closet. Grab the camera, head towards the closet. Tell me when you're ready for me to try to pull it out.
Now.
Ooh, it's a big metal ring, huh?
A
What the heck
big.
would we use that for?
I don't
I think
know.
we'll just scrap that piece. Alright, come down in here. Let's see what we got left. Where's that blue screwdriver? Might need it. Look what's holding this on. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 8 screws that hold this screen on. That's going to be the hard part. And then I'm going to pick it up with these brackets here, I think. And make the whole thing to Trish. But look at the size of the screen. They don't make screens like this anymore. What do you see that's different about this screen that might be different about this screen?